News 12's Chip Chapman brings us stories to uplift and inspire in Chip's Good Word, brought to you by Robert Badgley.
We pass along a lot of good news about a lot of the great attractions they are continually adding in the Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area. So in the interest of fair play, here's a story about one Pigeon Forge attraction that is not wowing the critics. The folks at Solitaried crunched millions of Google reviews of various tourist attractions all around the world, and they came up with a list of the most boring ones. Number 3 on that list is the Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride in Pigeon Forge. It'll cost you $21 to hop aboard. So is it worth it? Have a look at this video posted by the folks at Attractions 360. So is that worth $21? You be the judge and let us know. If you've got some good news that you would like for us to pass along, get it into us. News at WDEF.com. That's news at WDEF.com. By the way, if you're curious, the most boring attraction in the world, according to that list, is the Branson Scenic Railway in Branson, Missouri. I'm Chip Chapman. I hope you'll join us tomorrow about this same time for even more good news. And now back to a place that's never boring, right over here to the desk.